Here's the AirPods Pro 3. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to an Android phone. The Android phone that I'm using here is a Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus. So the first thing is we'll just go to our Bluetooth settings on our phone here. So let me go to settings. I'm going to go to connections, and I'm going to make sure Bluetooth is turned on and tap on Bluetooth. Okay. Now we're going to simply open this case up. Open the lid up. Now you'll notice in pairing mode, if it's blinking white there, it should show up under available devices down here. Okay, I'm not getting like a slow white blinking light because I'm actually connected to another phone. So let me manually put mine in pairing mode. Let me close the lid. Let me open it up, and then I'm going to double tap on that invisible button right there. Now it's blinking white slowly. Now it's in pairing mode. So now I should be able to find it here. Let me just rescan. So let it scan again, and that little spinny thing is searching for a device that's in pairing mode near me, and it'll show up down here under available devices. So the AirPods Pro 3 is right there. It just says AirPods Pro. I'll tap on that right there. You can get a pairing request with Android phones, and voila, we're connected, ready to go. Now, if you have any kind of issues pairing or connecting these, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look below in the description area for that link.